Okay, welcome. All right, so let's go ahead and state that it's been 24 hours now. Well, I'll probably say less than the 24 hours that when we actually started the stash account. All right, the initial investment was $20. As you can see, cash to invest was $20. All right, as of right now, my return is plus 0.75. I'm up 1.83%. All right. So my value in money right now in my stocks is $41.96. Okay. Look what my value was. Look what I started with, $20. All right. Now, one thing that I love about it, it goes to questionnaires. It's going to ask you some questions, and it's going to put you in the curveball on what you should invest in. All right. So I got that was not my initial what I put inside the match to market and global USD bonds, things that sort. It was lower than that, but since I've been growing, that amount has been growing a little bit higher. So excuse me, here's a few accounts that it all went in. Okay, so as you can look right here, so when I invested $7.06 yesterday, as of right now, within less than 24 hours, I have $7.38. This is real, ladies and gentlemen. I invested in global $5.90. As of right now, it's at $5.98. All right. Foreign heavyweights. I invested $4.42. As of right now, it's at $4.55. All right. Happy medium. I invested $1.21. I'm at $1.31. Clean and green. Invested $1.21. As of right now, I have $1.27. And upcoming, I invested $1.01. As of right now, I'm at 104. And then small but mighty, I invested 40 cents. As of right now, it's at 43%. So as you can see on all these terms that I chose and agreed with, I'm in the win within less than 24 hours. So just imagine if I actually put more money in. Just only imagine if I'm putting money in weekly. Just only imagine. I haven't started my retirement side of this yet. All right. So imagine I do this and I'm throwing in good amounts of money and letting it stay in there for about 30 to 40 years. Then I'll retrieve it. You know, I think that you should think the same way on that mindset, as whereas get yourself some great goals in your life. And then if you're an adult, it's not too late to start now. Look at this. Again, I invested $20. Okay, I invested $20 within less than 24 hours. Let me see, yesterday was April 9th. Well, yesterday was April 8th, 2020. Today is April 9th, 2020. Okay, now if you want to see exactly what each one of them breaks down to, so if I want to say match the market, if I click on it, it's going to give me a breakdown about it. All right, I'll stop right here and let you take a look at it, and then the people who doesn't want to read it, it does a lot of great knowledge. As you can see, within this whole big match to market, it invests, this top's holding, it invests in Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Berkshire, Johnson Johnson, Alphabet Inc., which is C&A, Gamble, and JP Morgan Chase. All right, all in one. Okay, so if anybody's familiar with the SP 500, it's basically a whole bunch of companies into one nest egg. All right, and they grow that value in one. All right, but look at this. I invested $7.06 in all. Now let me go back. Okay, so let's go to Apple. Right, Apple, I was able to go in at a low area because not everybody's starting this off at a higher ranking of money. All right, I'm not starting off with a good rank of money. All right, so you got some people out there can start this off with $5,000, $10,000, $100,000 and everything, but not everybody's at that point. If you got that, by all means follow the same procedure and you're gonna get excellent results. All right, now that's not saying that this is like a cash machine. It's like win. No, it's not that. But I can say for the past 20 years, 40 years, 100 years, the stock market has been going and going and going. Okay? It's been making a lot of this economic around the whole world turn. Okay? So if it stops, it's going to be world of trouble probably. But that's a whole nother different ball game. But what point I'm trying to state is I try to show you how to invest at a low budget. All right, but still capital. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is it shows Apple, all right, and Amazon. Let's take Apple, Amazon, and Facebook. Again, I invested in all those with $7.06. Now, if I invested in that one stock by itself, you want to know how much that's going to cost? Let's go to, sorry about that. Let's go to Apple. All right, that's going to cost me as of right now, the last price before, well, I guess when it opened. Let's see, let's look at performance. So as of right now, it's at $269.34 just to buy one stock of it. All right, to buy it that way. Next one was Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. Go to performance. It will cost me for one stock in that right now $176.08. All right, do you see that? But let me go back. I invested $7.06 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different companies versus how much it would have charged me to actually buy each one of those stocks one by one. I guarantee you I'll be over 500. Is this $7.06 over 500? Is this $5.90 over 500? Is this $4.42 over 500? Is this $1.21 over 500? No, 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 and no. All right. So thank you very much for listening to this knowledge. I hope that you soak it in. If you need to rewind this, stop, pause, do that. Don't try to go at the fastest pace and you don't remember it. Go at your normal pace. Don't go too slow and don't go too fast. Go at your pace and also take notes, write it down. I guarantee you the ratio is when you write it down and you also trying to memorize it, it's going to stick with you more in your brain versus you just reading it and you don't do anything about it. Unless you're acting up on it, but eventually you're going to have to start writing stuff down. You're going to start typing stuff out, things of that sort. So just thank you very much for tuning with me. This is Michael Newsom. Thank you very much for tuning with me. And we're about to get back to the next module. Stay tuned. Okay, real quick, one more thing. Let me get back inside. All right. So what? Okay. Now, if you all don't believe me, all right. So if you all don't believe me, before I was about to say what I was about to say, look at the time in my top left-hand corner. It's 9:15. Okay. If you go back and look at the video before what I just posted, look at that time. You'll notice that time is before this time right now that you're seeing is 9:15. You would notice that the value of the money right there above value was like $41, and I think maybe 92 cents or 98 cents. I can't remember at that moment, but it showed wasn't $42. It was $41 and some change. All right. Look at the split seconds. I'm at $42 even. I just increased again. Okay. I hope that you all understand, and let's make wealth. Grow this for yourself. Grow this for your kids. Grow this for your grandparents. Grow this for your parents. Grow this for your cousins. Grow this for your niece. Grow this for your uncle. Grow this for your auntie. Grow this for your niece. Grow this for your nephew. Just grow this for everybody. Help people grow. Look at this. Look at this. Come on, look at this. I'm sorry, I'm excited about it. This is wild, because I mean, I was about to make this video about some way totally different, and this just popped up, so this is live. But anyway, what I was about to say is, if any non-believers don't think this is true, all right, I'm about to go back. I went to my screenshots, all right. Yesterday, when I first started, this is probably like maybe 2 to 3 hours in, when I had that $20 investment, I had $41.42. All right. Well, what day was that on? It might have been 5 days, or it could have been 8 days. Well, okay, proof. I like to show proof. All right. So, details. This is captured on April 8th, 2020 at 11:53 a.m. When I was saying in my other videos before this one, I said that less than 24 hours. Is it less than 24 hours, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, it is. So take a look at this. This is wild. All right. April 8th, 2020, $41.42. Let's go back to current. What's right now? Okay, hold on. Before I do that, $41.42 at 21 cents return at 0.50%. As of right now, I'm at return of 79 cents, gives me a plus of $1.92% in the plus and the green, which makes my value $42 right now. Get up on this knowledge and let's get it going. No more waiting, no more slacking. This is 2020. Let's get our vision goggles on. Help yourself, help your family. Stay tuned for the next module.